Do you know what causes obesity? Because we have certain foods, fried foods and processed foods and heavy sweets and all, which really our body cannot digest. Imagine our stomach is so small, and we are eating such heavy foods. Maybe we can digest, but also we all, like, suppose people are working in offices, jobs, or business. They will lead a very sedentary lifestyle, whole day sitting in front of the laptop, not being able to do anything. But it's very important, we take out some time for our exercise routine, because movement is very important. According to Dr. Aditi Nawakar, she's a stress doctor in Harvard. She says sitting is the new smoking. It is not good at all to sit. Movement is very important for health, and a lot of diseases happen, like heart failure, a lot of things, when we don't move and we just have a sedentary lifestyle. Because what we eat, we also have to have movement, and we have to exercise to release endorphins of our body. And also eating junk food, processed food. There's so much available nowadays everywhere, and we want everything quick and instant. We don't want to have fresh and nice homemade food, which I'm not saying don't doubt, but we have to be very aware, because eating processed food and junk food is extremely bad for health, and it can make us put on weight. And also, if we don't sleep well, sleep, and if we don't sleep well also, it can cause obesity, because it's very important. Whole day if we worked, or done our cause, our duty, our body needs rest. And if we don't rest, because what happens in the night, when we sleep in the night, our pineal gland, it releases melatonin, which is very, very important for the body. It is a healing thing, it relaxes the body, and we sleep well. Because imagine, sometimes if we are not getting sleep, some people will just go to the fridge, eat something, or a lot of people, when they have relationship breakups, or they are stressed also, they are worried, they'll do emotional eating, they'll keep having chocolates or chips to feel better. But that is not the solution. We have to be aware of, that these things are not good for health, and be careful with all this. So again, if we don't sleep well, we'll feel uneasy, and we'll not be able to relax the morning, and our morning will not go well. So these things are very important, and we have to sleep, latest by 10, or even later than that, by 11. Why? Because melatonin secretes from the body between 11 and 4. So we have to sleep at that time. And also, when we sleep, we shouldn't get up, and go to the bathroom or whatever, because that also breaks the sleep pattern, which is not good for health. Yes, elders, it's difficult, but try your best, that if you can sleep at a stretch, because that's called proper sleep, not just sleeping late and then getting up late in the morning. So then our circadian rhythm of the body changes. So it's very important. There are certain blue zones, there are certain blue zones, healthy zones, where it's Italy, Greece, Costa Rica, USA, California. Their lifestyle, their nutrition is so good. They have no milk products. They chew, they go, one book I was reading, where they say they physically go and farm, and they, cook their own food. Yes, of course, it depends on city to city. Everyone cannot do that. But what we can do, living in cities or wherever we are living, we can go at least to nature, spend some time with nature, be aware of what we are putting in our mouth, not every day having junk food and aerated drinks and processed drinks and sugars and sweet. And on top of that, then we have late nights, or just sit whole day, maybe seeing TV, or even working in the laptop. But we have to move, because that's very, very important. Movement is the new medicine. Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Advani, an internationally certified life coach, trainer, a dance exploration expert, a wellness trainer, and an art therapist. And I always say, you know, I have dance, one of my workshops is dance as medicine, which, you know, you don't have, like, I have various workshops on dance for emotional well-being, where you don't have to be a dancer. It's not some choreography. You just have to go with the flow, and people have seen a lot of benefits, you know, in their weight. They feel good about themselves. They you know, they feel good, and their blood circulation is better, and they feel that, you know, they feel more alive from within. So these things are very important. So please be aware of all these things, and for more details you can check out my website www.natashaadvani.com, and like my video and forward this video to your family and friends. Thank you.